Good evening friends. We will see what are the next part in this planning. So this is what? Arrangement. This is called as, can you see this part? Arrangement of the lifts. See how it is given in plans, okay? How the things are arranged. If there are only two, so this is called as 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D. Arrangement of the lift. What is there here? Arrangement, straight line arrangement. 1, 2, 3. Three lifts are arranged in this manner. If more than 3 are there, what we have seen? 2 on either opposite side, 2 on the opposite side, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that opposite. So this is a open lobby for waiting of the public. Okay. If there are more than 4, 6 means here 3, here 3. Similarly for 8 lifts, here 4, here 4. Like that arrangement has to be made. See here, this is a typical line diagram given in the NBC code book. What is there? Recommended dimensions for passenger lifts and service lift. Do you remember this one? So in the previous video we have seen table number 1 and 1A from the NBC code book. That means we are going into the next table. See, can you see? This is the elevation part. This is the lift well. This is the total lift well. Okay, this is the machine room. This is the machine room. Okay. So this is the landing portion. Okay, this is the bottom landing portion. So like that it is given. So this is the total enclosure. In that, this is the lift well. It's called as lift well. This portion is the lift well. So here you can see small portion rectangle again. It is called as cab. So which is moving inside and outside. So this outside is a wall. It's called as a wall. So this is total machine room which is situated on the top. This is total machine room width. Can you understand here? Here machine room width is given. Okay. Machine room depth is given. So try to remember these things. AEC. AEC are related to this one. So C is what? C is this lift well dimension. A is what? Inside to inside car dimension. Okay. E is what? Opening of the door. You should remember this term. EAC. Entrance width, car dimension inside. C is the lift well dimension. Similarly in this direction also it is there. B is the width of the car cab. So D is the depth of the lift well. So like that it is given. So X direction, Y direction. So A and B are car dimension. C and D are, remember, C and D are for lift well. Okay. A and B are for car. Okay. So E is only entrance. E is the only entrance. You remember these nomenclature. These are the dimensions given in the next one. So can you see here bigger picture of that small portion? A, see here. A is up to here. So B is up to here. Car dimension. C, lift well. D, lift well. Okay. Small e, what is this E? E is the entrance width. Okay. So here table number 1 for passenger. So that is why I have given A, B, C, D, E. So A is for, A, B is for car dimensions, C and D for lift well dimensions, E is for entrance. So all these are dimensions. See here, dimensions are changing as the persons are increasing, one thing, or the weight is increasing. So can you see, for this type of load, for this number of persons is called as load. For this persons, for this much weight, what shall be the A, B dimensions, C, D dimensions or E dimensions? MIN means minimum. Okay, like that. So all the classes have been given. Okay, try to understand these concepts. Similarly, what is this? Recommend dimensions for pit, overhead, machine room. Okay, so these are the dimensions given for pit, overhead, machine room for passenger lift and service lift. So that is why we have told table number 1A. It is called as table number 1A. So this is for pit depth, overhead machine room depth, machine room width. Okay, so here it is given the various given. Okay, if the speed changes, if it is very less speed, 0.7, less than 0.7, if it is more, 0.7 to 1, if it is more, 1.2 to 1.5, if it is more, 2 to 2.5. So dimensions are also changing. So this table, on one side variables are pit dimension, machine room dimension. On this scale it is speed of the movement of the cab. So depending upon that, if the speed increasing, dimensions also are increasing. Okay, like that. All are in mm. Okay, now the same type we can understand it for goods lift. The previous were passenger lift and service lift, here it is for goods lift. Same type of cross section is there. Okay, here is also same type of cross section, same dimensions, A, C, E, B, D. Okay, A and B for car, C and D for lift well. Okay, E is for entrance. You can see the speed is up to 0.5 meter per second, 0.5 meter per second. So here that this total is the machine room. So machine room width, machine room depth. Okay, this total outside to outside for all things. Okay, machine room depth. Same type, loads are increasing, dimensions are increasing. See, so what are these? Car dimensions A and B, C and D are lift well dimensions, E is for entrance dimensions. Okay, all are in mm. So this is for hospital beds or hospital lift. Here also speed is very less, 0.5 meter per second. So these clauses we have studied. See here, clauses 4.9.2.3, 4.9.3.1 we have studied in, okay, previous video. So this is for hospital beds, same dimensions again we have given in the table. So machine room, lift well, car dimension. The last one is E for entry, okay, machine room. So for hospitals, these are the dimensions. See, the person's value is very large, 15, 20, 26 like that. Okay, weights are also increased. Okay, 1000, 1300, 1700. Okay, so car dimensions, lift well dimensions, entry dimensions are also proportionally increased. This is for dumb waiter. Dumb waiter means it is provided in hotels or big restaurants. That dumb waiter kitchen we have seen in the types. Okay, types. So you can see, understand, the very short. There is no entry exit. Only the small opening door is there. Okay, EAC. So the machine room is kept very small. Okay, only no persons are moving. No, only food items are transported here. Okay, this is the plan. This is the elevation. Okay, you can see load is very less, 100, 150, 200, 250 like that it is there. So here it is a car dimensions, A, B, H. H is the height of the cab. Okay, lift, C and D and E. So these are all dimensions given. Okay.